Hello guys and welcome back to my channel, Writing Practices. In today's tutorial, we're going to learn how to write a cover letter for attending an exhibition. This type of letter is usually written by professionals, company representatives, or even entrepreneurs who want to attend a trade fair, business expo, or exhibition related to their field. The purpose of this letter is to formally express interest in attending the event, show how it's relevant to your work, and request approval or registration from the organizers. So in this video, I'll walk you through each part of the letter, step by step. Check this out, sender's information. We start the letter with the sender's information at the top. This includes your full name, your position or title, your company or organization name, your address, city, state, zip code, email address, and phone number. For example, your name, your position or title, company or organization name, address, city, state, ZIP code, email address, phone number. This section is very important because it introduces who you are and which organization you represent. It also provides the exhibition committee with the details they need to contact you if they need additional information or verification. Always make sure your name and title are accurate and professional. This creates a positive first impression and establishes credibility right away. Date. Next, we include the date on which the letter is written. Remember to write it in the correct format, like this: July 10th, 2026. The date serves as a record for both parties and helps the organizing committee keep track of correspondence, especially if multiple applications are being reviewed. It also reflects professionalism and attention to detail, which are essential in formal communication. Recipient's details. Now we move on to the recipient's information. In this case, the letter is addressed to the exhibition organizing committee. Under that, you'll include the exhibition name, followed by the exhibition venue or address, and finally the city-state zip code. Here's how it looks in the template. The exhibition organizing committee. Exhibition name. Exhibition venue or address. City-state ZIP code. This section clearly identifies who the letter is intended for. Since exhibitions are often organized by a team rather than a single individual, addressing it to the exhibition organizing committee is perfectly acceptable and respectful. If you know the specific contact person or department, you can include that, but in most cases, this general format is professional and suitable. Subject line. After the recipient's details, we include a subject line. In this letter, it reads, Subject, application to attend exhibition name. The subject line gives the reader an immediate understanding of what your letter is about. It's concise, direct, and lets the committee know you're applying to attend a specific exhibition. Remember to include the actual exhibition name when you personalize your letter, for example. Subject, application to attend the 2025 International Trade Innovation Expo. A clear subject line helps your letter stand out among other communications. Salutation. Next is the salutation, which is how you greet the recipient. The template uses, Dear members of the organizing committee. This greeting is formal, polite, and inclusive. Since you're addressing a group rather than an individual, members of the organizing committee works perfectly. Always make sure to include a comma at the end of the salutation and avoid using casual greetings like hi or hello in a formal application letter. Opening paragraph, expressing interest. Now we move into the opening paragraph, where you introduce the purpose of your letter. Here's how it appears in the template. I am writing to express my interest in attending the exhibition name, scheduled to take place from start date to end date at venue or city. As your position at your company or organization name, I am keen to participate in this exhibition to gain first-hand exposure to the latest innovations, trends, and developments in the specific industry or field sector. This paragraph serves as your introduction and clearly states why you are writing. It shows enthusiasm and professionalism while directly mentioning the name and schedule of the exhibition. It also connects your role or position to the event's purpose, showing that your participation is relevant and beneficial. When writing this section, avoid vague phrases. Be clear about which exhibition you're referring to, where it will take place, and what industry it relates to. The more specific you are, the stronger your letter will sound. Body paragraph 1. Explaining your organization's relevance. The next paragraph provides background on your company and explains why attending the exhibition is meaningful. Here's the example from the template. Our organization is actively engaged in briefly describe your company's products, services, or specialization, and this exhibition presents an excellent opportunity to connect with professionals, suppliers, and exhibitors who share a similar commitment to industry advancement. Attending this event will not only enhance our understanding of emerging technologies and practices, but also strengthen our business relationships within the industry. This paragraph is crucial because it links your professional goals to the exhibition's purpose. You're showing the organizers that your participation will contribute to the event's success and that your company is genuinely invested in the field. In this part, briefly describe what your company does, whether it's manufacturing, technology development, marketing, or service provision, and emphasize how attending the exhibition aligns with your business interests. You can also mention how the event will help you stay updated on trends or foster collaboration with other professionals. This shows that your attendance has value both for your organization and the event itself. Body paragraph 2, highlighting specific interests. Now we move to the next paragraph, where you specify what you're most looking forward to during the exhibition. The template says, in particular, I am looking forward to visiting the booths of mention a few relevant companies or brands if known, and attending workshops or discussions that align with our current projects and future objectives. The knowledge and insights gained from this exhibition will contribute significantly to improving our operations and strategic initiatives. This paragraph gives your letter a personal touch by showing genuine interest in the event's content. You can mention a few exhibitors or brands you're eager to visit, or specific workshops that match your professional goals. This level of detail shows that you've done your research and that your participation is intentional, not just casual. The second sentence reinforces the practical benefits, that the insights you gain will directly help improve your company's operations or strategies. This demonstrates foresight and professionalism, making your letter more persuasive. Body paragraph 3, attachments and formal request. Now comes the paragraph that formally requests consideration and mentions the documents you've included. The template example is, please find attached my registration details and company profile for your reference. I would greatly appreciate your consideration of my request to attend the exhibition name, and I look forward to the opportunity to participate and represent your company or organization name at this event. This section confirms that you've attached supporting materials, such as your registration form or company profile, which help the organizers verify your background. It also serves as your formal request for approval to attend. Notice how polite and respectful the tone is, using phrases like, I would greatly appreciate your consideration, and I look forward to the opportunity. These expressions show professionalism and gratitude, while reinforcing your enthusiasm to attend and represent your organization at the exhibition. Closing paragraph. Thank you and anticipation. Finally, we reach the closing paragraph, where you thank the committee for their time and express anticipation for a positive response. The template reads, thank you for your time and kind attention. I look forward to your positive response. This short paragraph may seem simple, but it's an essential element of good letter writing. It conveys appreciation and maintains a polite professional tone throughout. A sincere thank you always leaves a good impression on the reader and reinforces your respect for the committee's time and effort in reviewing your request. Complimentary close and signature. After the final paragraph, we add the closing line, sincerely, followed by your signature, full name, position or title, and company or organization name. Just like this. Sincerely, your signature, your full name, your position or title, company or organization name. This section completes your letter formally and professionally. Always include your handwritten or digital signature if you're submitting a printed or scanned version. This confirms authenticity and shows that you personally take responsibility for the request. And that's it. That's the full breakdown of how to write a cover letter for attending an exhibition. We've gone through each section in the exact order, from the sender's details all the way to the closing signature, without skipping a single part. When writing your own version, remember to keep the tone polite, concise, and enthusiastic. Be sure to tailor the content to the exhibition you're attending and emphasize how your participation will bring value both to your organization and the event itself. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up. Share it with others who might need help writing a formal exhibition letter. And subscribe to Writing Practices for more professional letter writing tutorials every week. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.